Hello everyone, this is Ryan here. It is September 30th, 2025, 10:25 in the morning. I'm at the Oakland College here, and nice fall color right there. And this cloud looks kind of ominous looking. Could have more rain. Yeah, this tree here is changing color a little bit. Fake roots crane here. Building a new building there. Smoke is cleared up. There we go. Bye guys, take care. And today is National Truth of Record Validation, something like that. And yeah, there you go. Alright guys.